This new microwave from IFB takes care of more than just your basic and reheating needs. Made of stainless steel, it comes with an easily accessible touch panel, making it extremely user-friendly. With its 20-liter capacity, it takes care of all the needs of a small family. Its child safety lock feature is great for homes with small children, ensuring that your little ones don't use the microwave without supervision. The multi-stage cooking feature will make baking and grilling as easy as reheating things. You can now cook food from different parts of the world every day as the microwave offers a selection of 24 cooking menus. Defrost anything by simply entering the weight of the item you need to defrost. The Keep Warm feature will keep your food warm at a constant temperature for up to 90 minutes without overcooking it. This microwave comes with a 1-year warranty on machine and 3 years on magnetron and cavity. You can choose from various attractive EMI offers on Amazon.in. We also coordinate with the brand and take care of the installation and demo for a hassle-free buying experience.